First step is to wash your hands. I use a little bit of dish soap to remove any natural oil from my nail beds. Since each individual wrap does 2 nails, I like to cut them in half before I start. This makes application quicker and easier. So you want to cut it down the middle, all the way up to the Jambery sticker or the barcode, leaving it like that. I went ahead and did my nails, and I've left this one here to show you how easy they are to apply. Before we put the wrap on, we need to prep the nail by pushing the cuticle back, giving it a quick buff, and thoroughly wiping over your nail bed to remove any natural oils that may be on there. We are really lucky because it comes on a clear background, making it easy to measure out. Choosing the right size wrap for your nail, you want to err on the side of smaller rather than larger, because we don't want it touching any of your skin, as this will cause the wrap to lift. Next, you want to heat your wrap up until it's soft and flexible, as this is what activates the adhesive. So just 3 seconds of heat. 1, 2, 3. All you want to do now is just lay it over the top of your nail. Now we need to add some pressure. So you want to go from cuticle to tip, centre to right, centre to left. Give it a blast in front of the heater for another 3 seconds. Now what you want to do is give it a pull from the edge, kind of like a pull and stretch, and this is kind of like vacuum sealing the wrap to my nail. I'm then going to take what I call Jambery Gold, our rubber cuticle pusher, and really apply pressure around the edges to make sure the seal is watertight and that there are no bubbles or wrinkles on the wrap. I'm then going to trim the excess wrap off just along the edge of my nail like this. As you can see, there are a few rough edges still, and I'm about to take care of that. Now you have 2 ways you can do this. You can use a file, and you want to file down. Not up and down, just down, not left and right. And downward motion, and put a bit of pressure on there, because this filing will take off that excess nail right off your nail. Now personally, I like to keep my nails short, so I like to use the clipper method. I just clip off the excess nail wrap, taking a slither of my natural nail with it, making sure there's nothing overhanging on the sides. I like to give it one more blast in front of the heater and then push it down, because they are heat activated and pressure sealed. And there you go. See how there is a tiny little bit of fingernail still showing there? That's what you want. That's a perfect fit. And it's okay, because from a distance, can you tell? No. And if anyone is that close to your nail to tell, please tell them to step out of your personal space, because this is perfect and this is going to last up to 2 weeks on your fingers.